Welcome back to another episode with MJT Roofing, where we break down real exterior problems so homeowners understand the right way to fix them.
Visible nail on a new roof installed correctly or incorrectly? Let's see.
In today's episode, we're going to be answering a question of this homeowner. I just had a new garage roof installed, and I can see the nails between the shingles. Is this normal, or is this sloppy work? Short answer, no, this is not acceptable. Let's explain why.
Should you be seeing the nails?
In a proper asphalt shingle install, nails must be landing in the manufacturer's nail zone, and nails must be covered by the shingles above. No nail heads should be visible.
Why is this a problem?
So let's break down why it's a problem. When nails are exposed to UV, they rust. When they rust, they can lead to leaks and also avoid warranty from the manufacturer. The contractor might offer a small warranty on it, but the manufacturer's warranty is completely voided.
How did this happen?
The biggest problem? Inexperienced installers.
Is this job acceptable?
From a professional roofing standpoint, no, it's not acceptable. Not a best practice, not a manufacturer's compliant, not something a homeowner should accept on a new install. On a repair, you must see a seal exposed nails. On a brand new roof, that's a red flag.
What should contractors do?
Properly corrective action is not sealing the nails. To correctly fix these is removing the shingles and reinstall with a correct nail placement and restore proper shingle coverage. Document corrections for warranty protection. So does this look right? No. Visible nails on a new asphalt roofing indicate improper installation. It should not be corrected and should be corrected. A new roof is a system, not just shingles. A system fails when shortcuts are taken.
This is MJ2 Roofing explaining the work so you can protect your home. Subscribe if you want real homeowner solutions without guesswork.